We've covered tokens and embeddings. Now we dive into the engine that powers it all, the transformer architecture, the breakthrough that redefined the limits of artificial intelligence. Before 2017, AI processed text sequentially, like a human reading a sentence. But transformers broke this mold, allowing for massive parallelization by looking at entire sequences at once. At its heart is the attention mechanism. It allows the model to dynamically weigh the importance of every word in a sequence relative to every other word, regardless of their distance. Transformers use multi-head attention, running multiple attention processes in parallel. This lets the model capture diverse relationships like syntax, sentiment, and entity references all at the same time. Because transformers process words in parallel, they lose the sense of word order. Positional encoding solves this by injecting a unique mathematical signal into each embedding, telling the model where each word sits in the sequence. In the original architecture, the encoder processes the input sequence, building a deep understanding of the context through stacked layers of attention and feed-forward networks. The decoder then takes this context and generates the output, one token at a time, while also paying attention to its own previously generated tokens. This cross-attention between encoder and decoder is what allows for complex tasks like high-quality translation or summarization across different languages. Each attention layer is followed by a point-wise feed-forward network, which applies further nonlinear transformations to the data, refining the model's internal representation. To keep training stable, techniques like layer normalization and residual connections are used, ensuring that gradients can flow through deep stacks without vanishing. This modular design is incredibly scalable. By adding more layers and more heads, we've moved from millions to hundreds of billions of parameters, leading to the emergence of advanced reasoning. Modern large language models like GPT often use decoder-only architectures, focusing entirely on generating the next token based on a massive pre-trained context. Conversely, models like BERT are encoder-only, optimized for understanding and classifying existing text rather than generating new sequences. Training these architectures requires immense compute power, often across thousands of GPUs, to process the vast datasets that give these models their world-spanning knowledge. Techniques like quantization and pruning help make these massive architectures efficient enough to run on local hardware, bringing advanced AI closer to the edge. Despite their power, transformers remain difficult to fully interpret. Understanding why a model pays attention to certain words is a key area of research in AI safety and ethics. Architectures are also evolving through retrieval-augmented generation, allowing transformers to look up real-time information outside of their training data. As we look to the future, new architectures like Mamba or state space models are being explored to overcome the quadratic complexity of the standard transformer. In summary, the transformer uses attention and parallel stacks to process and generate language with unprecedented scale and nuance. Mastering these architectures is the key to unlocking the next generation of local AI development and model optimization. The transformer is more than just math. It's the architectural blueprint of the modern world's digital intelligence. This is just the beginning of our deep dive series. Stay tuned as we explore quantization, fine-tuning, Mamba, and more. Don't forget to follow along for the journey.